Hello everyone. In today's video, we dive into the exciting world of BNB, a cryptocurrency that has recently shown a significant rise in value. Capitalizing on volatility. As you know, cryptocurrency prices are constantly fluctuating. This dynamic market can provide excellent opportunities for a strategy called arbitrage. Benefits of arbitrage. In this video, we'll take a look at arbitrage using BNB as an example. This strategy is to exploit price differences on different exchanges. We'll show you the step-by-step process of buying BNB on trusted platforms such as Binance, Coinbase, or Bybit, and then selling on AQUAT to potentially profit from these price differences. Transparency and education. While exact price levels are difficult to predict due to market volatility, we'll provide a clear structure for understanding the process. Remember that successful execution requires constant market monitoring. Join us. AQUAT provides a BNB rate that is about 10 to 13% higher than the rates offered by Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase. Here's some ways to make money by buying BNB on popular platforms like Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase, and selling it on another platform called AQUAT. People report profits of 10 to 13% on each sale on AQUAT. Let's break this down in more detail. Binance, Bybit, and Coinbase are well-known platforms for buying and selling cryptocurrency. AQUAT, on the other hand, seems to be a specialized platform for selling BNB. Since its launch in 2018, AQUAT has been active on Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram, demonstrating its reliability and reputation as a top player in the crypto exchange industry. For more information, you can visit the project's website or its social media channels. All links are in the video description. Let's consider a scenario with a hypothetical initial investment of $5,000. We'll estimate the potential return from this trade. For this example, let's assume we buy BNB on a popular exchange such as Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase and sell it on AQUAT. The following action is to transfer the acquired BNB to AQUAT. Go to the wallet, select the deposit page, copy the BNB address, and transfer funds to AQUAT via Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase. Once we receive BNB on AQUAT, we head to the trading page and sell the coins at a price that's 10 to 13% higher than our initial purchase. Starting with an initial investment of $5,000, you can earn $500 or more. To withdraw funds to your cryptocurrency wallet, go to the Withdrawal tab and enter the withdrawal address from a wallet such as Coinbase, Binance, or Bybit. I recommend using the TRC20 network for faster transactions and lower fees. Click Withdraw to successfully complete the transaction. Our funds were returned to Binance, generating a 10 to 13% profit on the original $5,000. This shows that with a larger initial investment, you can achieve higher returns in about 15 minutes. Here's an option to consider. You can increase the starting amount for each trade and repeat the process to potentially achieve larger profits. In this example, we were able to generate over $500 in profit from a few transactions between two exchanges. Consider trying this approach to see if it aligns with your trading goals. To stay updated on future uploads, you can subscribe to the channel, like the video, and enable notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.